Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night, whenever or wherever you're watching this. I am lovely Lacole, and I'm coming back to you with another video. Today's video is going to be different from the videos that I normally do. Today, I'm going to be doing a wig review by Sensational. No, this is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. And the name of her name is Gillette, and it's, you can style it within 60 seconds. It's also heat safe up to 400. She has a comb in the front, a comb in the back. I don't know if you can see that. And 2 adjustable straps. So I'm gonna install this on my head. So I have her on, but some would like leave the hair out. I'm not gonna do that. I bought some headbands from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description box below. And I got them in all colors, like, you know, navy blue, like brown, this color. I have them in all colors. So I'm going to be trying on the burgundy. I'm going to try on the burgundy. Oh, this is pretty. You don't see this? And it feels nice too. It gives me that yaki feeling, that natural yaki feeling, I guess you can say. But I am in love with this. I love how thick it feels as well. Of course, I'm getting some shedding. I mean, it's a wig, you know. Why wouldn't it shed? But I love it though. Now, if you're like me, like I don't like to do anything to my hair, I just wash my real hair and braid it up and put it in a turban and whatever I'm gonna do with it. If you're like me and you don't like to do your hair, you just want something quick to put on and walk out the door, this wig is for you. If you're going to work, you know, you just want something simple, this wig is for you. If you're in school, you just want something simple and cute, this wig is for you. If you don't like glue, you don't want to do like the lace wigs and putting glue on your edges, it's for you. But I love this though, like I really do. I need to stop playing with it before I tangle it up. But I like it. I really do. I really like this. Tell me what y'all think. I know this video is like real quick, but let me know what y'all think. Like, do y'all think I should do more wig reviews? Let me know in the description box below. And the wig and the headbands will also be in the description box below as well. And I'm ending this video right now. And as I always say, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload more content. And as always, thank you for watching.